Hello and welcome to another Dalray Solutions video demonstration. In this video, we'll be taking you through our compliance documentation app, which is an SAP SuccessFactors extension. First, we will be looking at this from the perspective of the worker Paul Sinclair. He is starting a new job with a mining company, which requires him to have several compliance documents uploaded to the company's HR system. First, we see that he's received 2 emails in his inbox that include links for him to follow to upload his required documents. The email includes information about which licenses are required so that he knows before he follows the link which ones he needs to organize. The link then takes him to the SAP BTP SuccessFactors extension application, which works on both desktop and mobile. It has an easy-to-follow user interface for Paul to upload both licenses. He can use a separate image for both the front and back of each license. And if Paul doesn't have the image readily available on his device, he can use the app to take a photo to upload directly. The application can be configured to work with a range of different license and certificate types. Now that Paul has finished uploading both required licenses, a notification will be sent to the HR team to review and approve his documents. Now we will look at this from the perspective of the HR professional. In this case, we've called her Anne Dalray. Anne has received an email notifying her that Paul has uploaded new documents for approval. As she views the documents, she can see both the photos that Paul has uploaded, as well as the fields which the documentation app has automatically pulled. This greatly reduces manual data entry and removes the potential for errors to be made during this process. The fields that have been pulled from the licenses will then be automatically imported into the company's SAP SuccessFactors system. In this case, you can see that the license class was not able to be pulled from the image. So Anne is required to do minimal data entry manually to confirm that the license is completed. Finally, we can confirm for all parties that the documents have been uploaded and accepted into SAP SuccessFactors. First, from Paul's perspective, we can see that he has received 2 emails confirming that each license has been approved. When he logs into SAP SuccessFactors and views his learning items, these are now shown as complete. Now, from the perspective of Anne, or anyone else on the HR team with granted access, they can search and view any staff member and their compliance documentation. The original document photos are available through a secure document storage link. And the expiry dates are saved as fields, which would be searchable if you ever need to ensure that compliance is maintained. So, as you can see, the Dalray Solutions SAP SuccessFactors extension, the compliance documentation app, will greatly reduce the amount of manual intervention required when trying to manage your workers' compliance documentation.